Hi everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to explain to you guys about sharps and flats. Now, if you haven't seen my other video talking about how to find the notes on the fretboard, I'm going to leave a link for it right here, probably in the top right hand corner, and I'll also leave a link down in the description. And so I'm going to show you guys right now how simple this really is. So we're just going to start on the 6th string on the E. So we know E and F, okay? That's only one step between them, right? But then now between the F and the G, it's either going to be an F sharp or a G flat. Remember, sharps and flats are the exact same note. So you can just work your way all the way up here. F sharp is the exact same thing as a G flat. G sharp is the exact same thing as an A flat. A sharp is the exact same thing as a B flat. C sharp, exact same thing as a D flat. D sharp, same thing as an E flat. And then there is no E sharp because right here, there is no E sharp because it's an F. You see what I'm saying? And it's this exact same pattern for this entire fretboard here. There's really only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 notes on the entire fretboard, and the only ones that have sharps in between them are F and G, G and A and B, C and D, and D and E. E and F don't have a sharp between them, and B and C don't have a sharp between them. And anyway, that's all sharps and flats are, you guys. Now, coupled with the other information I give you in my other video, I'm sure you guys will have a working knowledge of how to apply to the fretboard. So I really appreciate your time. Thanks a lot for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.